Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your JLab earbud. So to reset your JLab earbud, the first thing you need to do is to unpair your earbud in your Bluetooth settings. Now the second thing you need to do is to perform a reset. To perform a reset, you have to put the two earbuds in the charging case and tap on the earbud 7 times. The LED of the earbud will flash 4 times, which means it has performed a reset. Do the same thing to the other earbud and wait for the LED to flash 4 times. After that, you have to repair the earbud again. Go to your Bluetooth settings and pair the earbud to your phone. So that's how you reset your JLab earbud. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.